Hi, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and welcome home to 905 West End Avenue, 52. Designed by architect Gaetano Aiello in 1917, he is known for his signature sweeping staircase and beautiful stained glass moments. The home 52 at 905 West End Avenue checks off so many boxes. 2,165 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, giant oversized eat-in kitchen, 27 by 20, grand living space, perfect for entertaining. The lovely oversized entrance foyer really sets the stage. It sets the stage to be either quite formal, yet also casual, and you have many places to disperse and go to. One of my favorite spots at 905 West End Avenue is this great room. 27 by 20, the volume is just enticing, and the morning light is peaceful and serene. This chef's kitchen is stacked with all Viking appliances, 6-burner stovetop, 2 wall ovens, oversized refrigerator freezer, Macaruba countertops, and custom cabinets crisp and white. Thank you so much for joining me at 905 West End Avenue. And again, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I think this is a wrap.